Yo, first order of the day. We've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $6 going 1.5 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. I've been sitting here for like almost 20 minutes now. Nothing yet. I'm ready for a nap. Okay, this order is not amazing, but it's literally the only thing that I've gotten in the past 35 minutes. So we're taking it, I guess. This is a 7-Eleven. I think this is alcohol. It's $5 going less than a mile.
Doordash.
Yes.
Perfect.
You got your ID with you?
I do.
Perfect.
Actually. Thank you, sir.
Yep. You have a good day. Well, that was annoying. I'm not going to give you the exact number, obviously, because I'm not trying to dox the customer, but in the app, it's kind of hard to tell the difference between capital I and lowercase l. So I asked them just to make sure I know where I'm going. And what did they reply with? Their apartment number. No letter. Anyways, we got the next order. This is a Seize the Bagel. This one is $7 going, I think, 5 miles. Not a great order, but literally the only thing that I have.
That's good.
Hello, for Luke.
Yeah, here you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. We've got a McDonald's. This one is $6 going 2.5 miles. Hello.
What's your DoorDash?
F66.
Yeah.
Is it both?
Yeah.
Okay.
These are the drinks together.
Thank you. Tell me why that one 7-Eleven alcohol order, the customer is messaging me saying, are you gonna get here soon? You may or may not be drunk off that alcohol already. Because that was like half an hour ago. Next up, we've got a Wendy's. This one is $6 and change going 2 miles.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. Go ahead when you're ready. Hello.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so I accepted this order completely by accident, so I have no idea what the details are. Well, when it comes to mileage. But this is a Burger King, $7 and change going who knows how far.
Thank you for choosing Burger King. Where you roll, how can I help you? So, unfortunately, we're out of sausage today. So, if you could ask your person if they want bacon or ham,
Okay.
we're able to do that.
Gotcha.
And the Whopper Jr., my broiler is still preheating,
Okay.
so it's gonna be a moment.
Okay, don't even worry about it. I'm canceling it. That's literally every single item on their order has sausage or is a Whopper. Back to waiting, I guess. We are not making money today, by the way. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $11 going 7 miles, 4 items. We got another shop and deliver right after this. It is going to be $10 going 5 miles, 2 items.
Welcome.
Got this order right away. This is a McDonald's, $6 going just under 2 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Oh, this would be on the top floor. Hello.
Here, sir. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Finally got the next order. This is a gravity coffee, $9 going 4 miles. Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too. Might be calling it early today because it is just crazy slow. Current time is 9:32. Current total, we are at 65, and I think I'm just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to 70. Yeah, let's just go home. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.